called. We're doing a realistic grocery haul slash putting stuff away. And when I say real, the bags are still in here. So if you don't like, I'm so sorry. This video is not for you. But it's already like 5:40 p.m. It's gonna get dark. We're gonna want to eat. So also the place we got groceries was like about 15 minutes away. So we definitely need to go ahead and get this done. I'm just gonna start with the cold stuff. And I'm literally going to put it away as I'm showing you what we got. I'll make cuts so that it's not like you aren't hearing dead air. Aaron saw this hamburger meat. It was $8.94 for 3 pounds, which is good because sometimes these are like $16 for some reason.
16 to 20, yeah.
And it is the 73% fat, but we normally just use this for like tacos or burgers anyways. So I may film more like kind of organizing this stuff tomorrow. I already put the salad in the oven, in the refrigerator, because we did have a good drive, so I didn't want to have that. But I've got some sweet corn. Well, it says extra sweet corn on the cob. We did get a few fresh ones, like, you know what I mean. And y'all, I took 2 reusable bags, left them in my trunk because I'm not used to using them. But I do use these to pick up dirty pee pads. Don't we love talking about that during a grocery haul? Anyways, I saw these pasta sides. This one is Bertolli. This one's the cheese lover tortellini. Oh, these are great. Red seedless grapes. What else we got in here? Tomatoes on the vine. I'll just stick that right there. Grapes are gonna go in the fridge. I'll wash this stuff tomorrow. I like how these clear totes have lids on them because I can just put the lid on and then put some stuff on top of it if I need to. Alright, y'all, I'll move the camera around, that way I can be handing stuff to Aaron. Put in the deep freezer. This is frozen wings, buffalo wings. Winged Ganza. It's the brand. They're $12.99. Okay, yeah, on sale. We got some frozen waffles, Food Line brand. Yellow potatoes. They're called, yeah, mini yellow potatoes. Tomatoes, hot salsa. Got another thing of that hamburger meat. This one was also $8.67. Guess you could put this one in the freezer since I've got one in the fridge. Got some, this is called beef carne picada. It's boneless and it's just like good for stir fry. This was $11.49. Let's put that in the freezer too. I'll just go ahead and show you all this. I wanted to try out a new laundry detergent. So this one is the Persil and it's the Intense Fresh. That's what it says. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried this, if you like it. I think I've heard people say they like it. Baby carrots for a roast we're gonna do. Giant bag of tater tots. We also went to Harbor Freight and Walmart. I did not go to the thrift store. We also looked at lawnmowers and we think we found one that we like. Bull in a bag rice. That. Okay, just stick that in there. Got 2 Red Baron pizzas. I'm yelling at y'all. One Supreme and one is a 4-meat pizza. Can those go in there? And whatever it can, I'll put in the other one. Giant bag of potatoes. Since we love baked potato, and we're eating more vegetables, so this is one way to do it. Since we like these. But yeah, these are Idaho potatoes. They were $5.99 for these jumbo ones. Shrimp was buy one get one free, so we got 2 of them. I was wanting to kind of get as much as we could Everything from Food Line, we spent $188 on. I got 2 of these bird's eye Asian medleys. This could go in that one if you want. I don't know. Cucumbers for anything, salad, sandwich, whatever. Got the roast. The roast was $13. It's a splurge, but I love roast. We have it, I guess, once a month. More of these little easy peels. 3 corn on the cobs. 3 rainbow peppers. This was the other side from the Bertolli. It's the cheesy spinach ravioli. I thought, okay, so I'm gonna be making a boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and those would be so good with that. We're most likely having tacos tonight, so Erin picked out these Old El Paso bold nacho cheese. Okay, we have also got Pepsi, well, not Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, 32 waters, Ortega taco seasoning. I got 4 of them because they were on sale for 97 cents or 67.89, and it was normally $1.19. Tortilla shells for the steak fajitas, and then we grabbed 2 of these for our waters. Erin got a crushed watermelon, and then I picked out the orange tangerine. We'll share, but he picked out the green one. Okay, I think I showed y'all. There's red potatoes too, so I'm gonna put the cold stuff up off camera, and then I'll show y'all the rest of the stuff we got. Y'all, it's that time of day where the sun is setting, so the lighting is a little funky monkey. When I was in elementary school, people called me Chunky Monkey. Don't you love it whenever the bullies at least say something like somewhat funny and not just mean, like, you're fat? Anyways, okay, Harbor Freight. We picked up this thing. You know what it is? The word?
Oh, they're shears.
Shears! Great, okay. I don't know what things are sometimes, and I just say we got this thing right here. Yeah, I can use it. We ended up getting the longer one so we can do like bigger things, and I can still use this on my rose bush. I'll look a little silly,
Yeah,
but it's still gonna work.
Shears, pruner.
So, and this was only like 11 or 13.
No, it was $20, but I've had the track card thing, so it was $13 and something after so they have on the track card account or whatever it is.
This is great because some of y'all know around our porch in the backyard, a lot of like vines and stuff grow up. So instead of me using my bare hands and maybe getting bit or stung by something, I could use this and just start chopping away at it.
What's for cords? There's cords out there.
Yeah. Well, I'm talking about over here where that bed frame thing is. Alright, so we grabbed that. We also, y'all have seen that TV, and I said that we were going to get, this is what we went in there for, a TV mount. Do you remember what this was?
$14.99.
Wow, that's good.
It's the same one I got in my room.
Yes, so this is awesome.
It's full motion, it moves.
Okay, and then Erin got this 8-inch folding pruning saw. I love when they say what it is, so I don't have to say this thing. Because we've got all those like little twiggy trees, baby trees coming up around that old shed that we need to clear away. So I think he mentioned something about it's thinking about raining tomorrow.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow and Saturday, I think.
So if it does, we'll just do indoor things. But if it doesn't, we may do some outdoor things. Oh, you picked up some sunglasses.
No.
Great, that's good.
Safety
glasses. So I don't want to break those. Alright, Walmart got some paper towels. These were, I think, $5.99. So I had been getting the giant thing of Bounty, and I'm like, I don't need to pay $20 because also I don't need to be using these paper towels to clean my house. I know, and not a soul told me not to. So I thank you for that. But y'all could have told me, Kimmy, you need to stop. you need to use a microfiber cloth to clean your house instead of paper towels, because that is like horrible. I may use them for my bathroom, okay, my toilet, but otherwise, we got this giant thing of toilet paper that Aaron said will be gone next week. Only if it's that time of the month. If it's that time of the month, yes, I use like all the rolls, okay? So, women, these are actually from the men's section. I know, politically correct, I'm not supposed to say that anymore, but I'm sorry. I'm saying it, okay? I love you if you're they, them, and everything, but like, I'm a woman, I go by a woman, and I like to have my woman's section, but I went to the men's section, and I bought these. They are Athletic Works, $14.98, but actually, no, it was the camo ones that rang up cheaper.
Yeah.
Okay, these are so good, and I'm pretty sure, no, they don't have the shorts underneath, but these are really long, and they're going to be great for working outside. So I got 2 of those, and then Aaron got me to try on a pair of these Lee, also in the men's section. And this says $26.98, but they rang up for $11. They're camo, they're Lee, they say, I don't know, active stretch cargo, and they're camo. I said that 3 times probably already. And stretchy. They have the like nice little soft band at the top, so that if you have an apron belly like me, it's gonna work fabulous for you if you want them. They have them for $11, and they have pockets with Velcro. I could put my phone in there maybe. That is one good thing about y'all's pants. Like, they think women don't want pockets all over their pants, but I would like that. I don't want to have to walk around with a purse, but I don't have to. Anyways, they were cute. They're not like fitted at the bottom. They are just like straight. But they make my butt look snatched. Alright. These shirts were in they're no boundaries. Extra, extra, extra large. Read all about it. It says great for layering. I'm not layering anything. These are going on top of a bra. So I guess 1 layer. $3.98. All different colors. Miss Ma'am, you gotta get off this table. Don't worry, y'all. When we eat here, I wipe it down before we eat. And then I take these little things off too. Because they stepped on those. But I got this light blue color, which looks good on me. I'm going to dye my hair, by the way. I have 1 more box of like that dark burgundy color, so I'm going to do that. This one is a really pretty green, because y'all know me. I will wear my St. Patrick's Day shirt all year round. Because it doesn't say St. Patrick's Day. It just says today is a good day to be a lucky day or something like that. Anyways, I'm going to keep wearing it. But I wanted just a solid green color, so I got that one. It's really nice. All of these were under $4. And then I got this pretty, and they're all of these, I just got the biggest size they had. I got this pretty pink one. So now I have like 5, because I got a bunch of stuff. I got makeup on my blue one because it squirted out all over my shirt. And I could not get the foundation out. So if y'all know how to get foundation out of cotton t-shirts, please let me know, because I haven't really tried anything other than OxyClean. But I'm really happy with all those purchases. And then the last thing we grabbed was Copper Tone, a 4-in-1 30 SPF. I heard one time that basically anything over 30 isn't any different than 30, so I just get the 30. I could be wrong in saying that, so make sure you look first, but I have heard that things that say 65 SPF are not really 65, or I don't know how that works. How they're able to put that, or if I'm just telling a lie right now, but supposedly you don't need like 100 SPF or however high they go up to, that they're all, it's fine to use this. And my tinted moisturizer, which is Neutrogena, has SPF 30 in it also for my face. So all those outdoor projects, we're gonna be doing this. I was telling Aaron, the difference in texture of the skin that never gets shown to the sun is so much softer and smoother than the skin that is exposed to the sun. And even driving in the car, if you're like driving for an hour, your arms are going to get sun. And it's really important not to get skin damage, because you can get skin cancer from that, from just being outside. So wear the sunscreen. I'm talking to myself because I'm really, I used to be the girl that would go and be like, no, I need to get burned once, that way I get a tan, you know, because if I burned one time, it's like I didn't burn again after that all summer. But now I know how bad it is for you to do that. Not to mention, like, I'm so pale that when I get sunburned, if it's bad, it will like cause the blisters. So gonna do that. Anyways, whew, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this shorter video, and I'm sure tomorrow's video is going to be really long, because y'all know how I am. I just pick up the camera and start going about my day now. Nothing is really planned. We just kind of wing everything. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another one. Bye.